Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if mobile data is slow on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After turn on or turn off flight mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so reinsert SIM. So remove SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After cleaning SIM and again insert SIM tray and you will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is reset device. Just click and hold side power button. Swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if mobile data is slow on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.